Hello, fellow viewers. The strangest thing ever happened to me. My hands have been eaten by dogs. If I had another hand, or if I could get my foot in my hands, which I can, but I don't feel like doing, I would try to take these dogs off my hands, but now I have feet. Dog head feet. Dog head for hands. They're gnawing my hands off, so soon my whole body's gone. You'll have nothing to see. I'll have no more videos. It all started back when I was little. A couple hours ago, of course. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh my God. Are you back? Okay, so as you saw in that flashback, I have no way of getting these off. I tried doing everything. I tried to get my pet chipmunk taken to try to gnaw him off, but he couldn't do anything. He even lost a tooth. He had 2 teeth. These dogs just won't come off. It's like, I would do this. I just let my hand come out. But no, my hands can't come out. I would do it with this hand, and then both my hands would come out. No, I can't do it. I would even do this. Put them on the ground. Well, here, I'll sit on them. And I'm free. I have no dog hands anymore. Oh my God. I'm gonna go see my mom. I'm gonna go see my mom.